Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. So we are going to do this video on something that is a common issue for Chevy Silverados and GMC Sierras, particularly from 1999 to 2007. So basically this situation is like this. If your four-wheel drive worked normally and then out of the blue one day it stopped working, turn your car on, it says service four-wheel drive, you go to press 4 high 4 low auto, and they either just blink, they blink and it doesn't switch to four-wheel drive at all you have is two-wheel drive. I'm going to show you guys a quick fix for this. If you guys have the situation, a lot of times, if you guys have the situation, if you guys bring it to the shop or if you guys bring it to the dealership, they're gonna tell you that you need to replace the whole 4x4 assembly, which would cost north of $1,000. And I'm going to show you guys how to solve this issue situation with a with a pack of $5 crimp connectors. All right, and all you gotta do is unscrew a bolt and crown a wire. All right guys, so here's what you're gonna do. All right, so if you guys have this situation, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go under the driver's side door. All right, you're gonna look at, there's a pillar there, there's gonna be two bolts. One of those bolts is going to have two wires. All right, and many times what happens is if you guys go and research this issue, a lot of people are going to say, well, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to clean up the bolts. You're going to have to, maybe it's the corrosion that's causing it. It could be you guys might need to take a metal brush and take the scrub the rust off the bolts. Now, sometimes it'll work. Sometimes it'll work because corrosion and rust does actually keep the wires from a good connection, and because of that, it's not going to be grounded, and it's going to cause a lot of issues with the car's computer relating to the four-wheel drive system. All right, however, in a lot of cases what happens is it doesn't resolve anything. If you guys have the situation where you guys actually clean up the bolt and the connection, and it doesn't resolve anything, what you guys might want to do is, there's two wires there. All right, if you guys notice that there's one wire that is dangling and it's not connected to anything, what you want to do is you want to take the sheath off the wire. All right, that wire is supposed to be grounded to the frame. Now, if you, in most cases, you guys will probably need to extend that wire. Just use another wire, extend that wire, and just use some kind of crimp connector connected to the frame. When you guys do that, it should fix all of your four-wheel drive system issues. You're not going to get that notice that says service four-wheel drive. You guys can click on 4 high 4 low auto. That the light's going to stay solid, and you're going to have your four-wheel drive back to working order. All right guys, I hope that this has helped you guys out. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. If you guys have any of your own personal experiences with this situation, please leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. All right guys, take care.